How to set up Google Authenticator on your Bybit. Open your Bybit apps. Then from here under security area, you can see Google Authenticator apps is not enabled. Just go down, then Google two-step authenticator, enable this option. Now you have to verify with your Gmail account. So check my Gmail, and this is the code 399012. So insert the code 399012 and press on continue. Now here is the key. Copy this key. Now open your Google Authenticator apps. This one. Now press on this plus icon. Enter a setup key. Type your app's name and time based, or you can counter based. Press on add. Now your Bybit is verified with your. Press on next. Now enter your amount code 449088 449088. Sorry, 449 824 824 824 341. Google is complete. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.